Wonder why lotus is the national flower of India, a country of many well-known yogis. It's because there is something special about this flower. It grows in stagnant water, which is usually very dirty, but it still manages to remain clean, fresh and untouched by all the muck around. So, I'm Silky Agarwal, Namaste, and you're watching me on the Yoga Mile. Today we are going to practice Lotus Pose or Padmasana. Do remember to read the contraindications for this posture in the description below before you get started. We start with legs outstretched in the front, back straight and comfortable, no strain anywhere in the body. Then we start with taking one leg, let's say the right leg. We hold it with our hands, place it on our thighs, keeping the soles turned upwards, and then similarly we take the other leg across on the other side, keeping the sole turned up, making sure that both the knees are aligned. Although it's not easy to keep them aligned in the beginning, but with practice you will be able to make sure that there's a proper symmetry to the posture when you practice it. Focusing on your back, keeping the back straight, neck comfortable and long, chin tucked in, and here you can gently close your eyes when you feel like you're very calm and comfortable. Focus on your breath, your state of mind. Make sure that your body is comfortable. Get more and more internalized. Enjoy this moment of solitude within. Such a luxury in the busy lives. Long and deep breaths. This is Padmasana, Lotus Pose. It's a meditative posture, and when you practice it, you will yourself feel the fact that this way of arranging your legs and arms almost makes you feel locked and cut off from external influences, much like the flower of lotus. Gentle breathing, and then you can open your eyes and you can change your posture to practice with the other set, the other side. You started with the right leg first, now you can start with the left first, folding it, keeping the sole turned up. Again, taking the other leg, sole turned up. Comfortably keeping your palms on your knees, back straight and relaxed, trying to maintain the symmetry of the body. Thinking of the flower of the lotus, beautiful, blossoming, shining, standing tall in the water. Giving this moment to yourself. Taking long, deep breaths. Gently opening the eyes. Thank you very much for practicing. Don't forget to subscribe. Namaste.